Welcome to our ultimate guide for creating a smart home system. First, ensure your home has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, choose devices that are compatible with your chosen smart home platform. Consider smart plugs to control appliances remotely. Invest in smart lights for energy efficiency and convenience. Install a smart thermostat for optimal temperature control. Don't forget about smart security cameras for peace of mind. Connect all your devices to a central hub for easy control. Set up routines and schedules to automate tasks. Explore voice control options for hands-free operation. Monitor your energy usage with smart meters. Customize your smart home system to fit your lifestyle. Integrate entertainment systems for a complete experience. Consider adding smart blinds for added convenience. Manage your smart home system through a mobile app. Upgrade your home with smart locks for added security. Consider installing a smart doorbell for added convenience. Create a seamless smart home experience for your family. Explore different sensors for added functionality. Stay updated on the latest smart home trends and technologies. Make sure to secure your smart home network against cyber threats.